So let's recap on where we are in this data analysis. Firstly, we devised a questionnaire and used that to gather the views of students, and that was done using Google Forms. Google Forms gathered the information which we then downloaded into Excel and which is the data we have been analysing. We selected the data that we were specifically interested in that matched to the research question and then made it look good. Having done that, we then worked out how many people gave each of the responses, and this gave us the count of responses table so that we could compare how many people wanted a particular aspect, for example a job that they enjoy, compared to those that expected their industry to provide it. And these were colour coded just simply to make it clearer to us. Having done that, we then moved on and looked at converting these counts to percentages to make it easier to picture what it meant. And so there we have the table of the percentage of responses, which I labelled as table 2. We then thought about how we could present this maybe more succinctly for presenting in our research, copied them to a table which shows the different responses to each question so that we can compare what they want or how important a particular aspect is to what they expect to experience in the industry. And just while we're doing that, I've noticed a slight mistake, and I should have put to what extent, not what extend. So I fixed that. This table gives us a good summary of the different responses, but sometimes it helps to have a view of the sort of centre of the data or the average of the data.